Okay, so this is Microsoft Excel, how to format your spreadsheet part 2. This is going to be a really quick video. This is just because I forgot to show you guys about how to format your tabs. I'm sorry, not tabs. I need to call them worksheets. I'm used to the old way of saying it. So we'll say worksheets or your sheet tabs. We can we can format those. So you'll notice I have different colors and I've renamed them. So let me just show you that real quick. So here I can right click here, and then when I right click on it I can say tab color, and then I can change the color. So maybe I want to change that to purple, and there you go. Now I've changed it. Or I can go back and say tab color, no color. After that, let's say I wanted to copy this tab, and I wanted to say, I would say move or, oops, where is it at? Move or copy. So move or copy. And right now I only have one workbook open. If I had two open, I could actually copy it to a new workbook. But right now I'm just going to copy it to this book. And it says before sheet, so I get to choose the order. So I say, you know what, I'm going to put it before the final product. So essentially what's going to happen is going to be in between final product and purchase list. So I'll say before final product. And then I'm going to copy it, so I want to create a copy. So I'll say OK. And then now look at purchase list raw, and then now it says purchase list raw 2, open parentheses, 2, close parentheses. So this is like a copy of this one, or it is a copy of this one. And then I can right click it and I can rename it. And then I'd have to I can use my keyboard to backspace, and then it clears it out. Or I can just, let's see right here. No, it doesn't let me do it. Well, let me do that. So, no, I got it. Okay, so I have to type something, sorry. Okay, so I'll just say purchase list raw copy demo, something like that. Or you can name it something completely different. It's up to you. Um, there you go. Hit enter, and now I have a new tab named that. Try not to name these tabs super long. Try to give them short names. It's just very helpful in finding things. However, if it needs to have more descriptive tab, that's fine too. Now I can move these tabs manually by hovering over it, holding down my left mouse button, and then notice I have that little, right over here, you're going to notice a little black arrow when I do that. And then it changes my mouse into an arrow, my mouse pointer with an arrow and a little sheet of paper. And then I just drag it over, and notice that little arrow starts to drag over to the next intersection of, of tabs. So I can say, okay, move it there. And then now I've moved the tab. So just a quick way to show you guys how to format. I can navigate by clicking this arrow, or I can grab my horizontal ellipsis, take that over, and then I got more room there. So just a couple other things I wanted to show you on formatting. That's just some basic formatting. Please explore, understand what all these different things do. They're pretty intuitive once you start playing around with them. So please do that. Thank you.